It's another controversial advertisement from Peta. Is it accurate though? Definitely accurate. If you decrease your saturated fat intake, you increase your arterial flow, you increase your circulation. Now, if you cut off the artery to the brain, you get a stroke. If you cut off the artery to the heart, you get a heart attack. If you cut off the artery to the penis, you get impotence, or you get restricted blood flow. You want to keep your circulation good. A low-fat, high-carb vegan diet definitely increases schlong length, thickness, and hardness relative to you. Check it out. Don't take my word for it. I've definitely noticed increases, especially since 2006 when I really got objective.
It's because you met me, baby.
Got objective. People go, well, how come we got the red light on us? This is the red light time of the night for us, but we're going to turn the computer off in a minute. But so definitely, you ready yet? You warmed up? You done those exercises?
Always ready, baby.
She gets a bit sore if we go too hard too soon. But, no, seriously though, check out the vegan lifestyle, man. Vegans do it better. Carb the fuck up. When your carbs are strong, so is your schlong. Peace.